trick or treat, and basically I'll just do this as a just showing you. I'm not gonna play though. So basically, roll the dice. Whatever I land on, which I got 5, 6, 8. I got 8. So I'm gonna take the 8th bag and I'm gonna open it. Whatever it lands on, whatever I get, I have to eat, or I have to do what it says. So it's trick. I get a trick, and I have to do whatever it says, or I get a treat, a yummy treat. So you wanna play? You can go first. Just roll, and then drop it. Oh, okay, let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Wait, 1, 2. Yeah, that's mine. Okay, so the 9.
I know what the 9 is. That was you.
Please tell me the trick.
I'll give you
Okay, open. Just go. I'll open it for you.
Get me.
What? Okay, my turn. I got 6, 7. 7. Where's 7? Spider! 7. I'm scared. I got a trick, guys. Look. Guys, look. I have the pop with the ball sitting on it. So, guys, I have to sit on the balloon. But if you wonder, that's a little Robin named Baby. He's a ghost, so we'll try not to disturb him. He might run away. I'm so scared. Even though I know I don't move before this. I have a skirt on. Yeah. I'm scared. Are you supposed to pop it? No. My heart's beating so fast. I'm being sorry. I'm sorry. How the heck did that not pop? You guys see this? Okay, so it's another round of trick or treat. So I'm gonna give the dice to Kale. It's your turn. I already won. Remember, I got had us jump on a balloon.
Yeah.
What do you think supposed to be this trick? Okay, so see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then good then.
And back here. Okay, I'll open it and then you can go inside. I hate this so much. This game is rigged. This game is rigged.
Yay, got more. Got more candy.
So it's my turn. I swear to God.
Yay.
I'm gonna have a trick.
You can get 90. Yay.
I got 9. Didn't I already get 9?
No, I got
Somebody
9.
died. We're just gonna go over there. I already got 9. Yeah, somebody got 9 before already.
I got 9.
1, 2,
No,
3,
9
4,
is down to you.
6. How did I pick up? What was that called? Oh, I made this. Yeah, I made this bag. Oh, I only got 2 pieces of candy. Yay. Okay. Put the bags down. You already got
That's mine.
Get all your candy.
I have no candy over here.
Oh, guys, look how much candy he has. Okay, just come over there inside, and I'll put the bag.
I got
Okay.
candy.
So go again, Teo.
Okay.
Guys, look how rigged this game is. I only got 2 pieces of candy. This guy has like 9 or something.
1.
That's 6. That's 7.
Yeah, no candy.
You already got that. Roll it again.
Yeah. Really good. Give me. Wait.
Says the man who got all the time. Got it wrong.
Wait.
You got 6. Roll it again. 12. You already got 12. Roll it again. What the heck did you say numbers you already got? I'm so jealous. 6, 7, You got my candy more. You got my candy already. I can feel it. Oh, it's not candy! No, but you have to eat them! Okay, try it. Bite it.
Good.
Okay. It's good. Look. This is super hot. He got to eat coffee. How is it good? I'm gonna try. Oh, that's hot. Water. Oh, thank you, Rose. Well, the hills are covering for this last trick. Yes. So, flaming hot coffee. I'm gonna want to look dead. Oh, he's dead. Well, let's get him. Well, okay, let me remind guys. Four. What? Ew, you're lucky. I need a free piece of candy. Okay, here you go. Okay. Oh, so can I offer for your Milky Way? Yeah, okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Have it. 5 is right at 5. I'll open it. Oh, it's not. It's a sleeping mask. Is there a note? No.
All right, keep it on.
Mask on.
Yes, keep it on.
Whoa.
Open wide. Open wide, buddy. Open wide. Open wide. Open. Okay, go open. Nancy. No, it's a trick. You have to do it. Ready? Open wide. Open wide. Come on. Ready? Open wide. Ah. Come on. Eat it.
Mommy, what
It's
is
a
that?
trick. Look, I'm gonna give it to your sister too, and she's gonna eat it.
Ah.
Okay, she did it. Close.
Hey,
Eat.
so disgusting.
No, you might have swallowed it. Go
I'm
ahead.
swallowing it.
Go ahead.
Oh
Go
my
ahead,
God.
eat it. You have to. I'll give you water. I'll give you water. Go ahead, swallow it quickly. What is it? What is it? What does it taste like? What does it taste like? You can eat a candy after. What does it taste like? What is it? Can you tell your fans what it is?
I think it's tuna. Tuna? Yeah.
It's fishy. Sardines.
Oh! I like tuna better than sardines. Okay, my turn. Oh, it's okay, baby. Don't worry. Okay, my trick. My turn. Okay, I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. I already got 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys got it. The head! 12, you got 12. Walk like a spider for 60 seconds. Ow, my I'm coming. Ow, my back. Ooh, goldfish. Okay, wait, I need to relax. My back hurts. Ow, my back hurts so much. Owie.
And you're done.
Ow, that hurt.
Your back's been bothering you? Is that why? But before it didn't.
Okay, guys, let's go back to the table. 4 bags left. So yeah, Kale can go first. I'll open it. Okay, go. You got 5. Okay, maybe see if I can get a bigger number than 5. Okay, I'll open it. I got a 4. I got 5 too. So, I guess we'll both take it back. Okay, now come on, take it back. I'll take 12. Ready? I ripped the whole bag. I hate it. Okay, so I'll read the tails first. We're away day.
Mommy's coming.
Sing and dance for 1 minute. Oh my god, that retail though. So what you just noticed is I got a chance for us to sing and dance for 1 minute. And wait till you see what Mateo's trick was. Come on in. Gorgeous luscious hair. I love your hair. Did you get it from the salon today? Oh yeah, you went to the salon? Oh, show them your face, Tail. Look how gorgeous he is, guys. I can style his hair. He got this from the salon yesterday. So that's how it was yesterday. He just got it, and you just see it now. What's your name, Miranda? No, it's probably Mateo Miranda. Oh, I didn't just take off his hair. I'm sorry. What's your Matilda? I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna go first. What did I get? I got 5 again. Okay, what did you get?
I can eat what this meat on.
Okay. Okay, come on. His hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 again. Okay, you can pick a bag first. How about you pick 11? Or right. You did the bag, right? You did. You did. Now give my bag. Okay, well. Okay, let's do the last one, guys. Open them. I got candy. I'll open yours. You got. So can I trade you? Because you don't have it. So I'll give you this and you 1 minute. Well guys, now that we opened our last bag and Mateo has some luscious blonde hair. No? You like your wig? No? You look cute with it. Well, this is the end of the video. And make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notified every time we make another video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And bye!
I have a question. What's the name of the show?
Eat it and love it. You clicked on this video, so you should know.
Thank you.